All right, this one is Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. It's a great beginner song. So the song takes place on our 7th fret, so let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is right here. So we're going 7, 7, then go up to your 10th fret, back to 7, down to 5, then 3, and then 2. Let's try that again. So start on our 7th, 7, 7, up to your 10, back to 7, down to 5, 3, and then 2. And then the next line is almost the same, but a little bit different at one part. So we start on our 7th again, 7, 7, 10, down to 7, and then 5. Now we go to 3. Here's the different part. Go back up to your 5. I like to use my ringer finger because then I'm right back to my 3 and then 2. So that part goes 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. So the whole thing will sound like this. So I like to use this song to practice power chords because you can do a power chord on each of the notes. So our first note was a 7 right here. So if we put this finger, our 1, 2, our 3rd finger on our 5th string, on our 9th fret. So it's right here. I'll move this finger down so you can see it. And then you hold it like that, and we'll be sort of keeping this position wherever we go. So this is our 7. I'm just pulling the strings now. If you have a pick, you can play the top 2 as well. So it's 7, 7. Now we're going to move this finger right here up to the 10th. This one will slide along sort of in place. So it goes like this, up to there. So now this one's on the 10th and this one's on the 12th. Then back down to 7, down to the 5, 3, and then 2. And back up to the 7, up to your 10, back to your 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. And that's just a fun way to practice power chords with the song.